process of researching and perfecting the detection kit has been carried out in accordance with very strict processes. The results showed the criteria equivalent to that biological products introduced by the U.S. Center for Disease Control and the World Health Organization. The kit was researched, completed, and tested thoroughly by the Central Institute of Hygiene and Epidemiology. And compared to the test kits being used by the World Health Organization, the Vietnamese product provided similar results.
The kit can reveal test results after a little more than 1 hour. Results confirms Vietnamese scientists' high professional skills and determination in contributing to the epidemic prevention and control. The company has a daily production capacity of 10,000 units. If necessary, it can be increased by 3 times.
Based on the positive result, the detection kit was licensed by the Ministry of Health on March 4th.